Welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make instant ramen noodles, beef flavor. Very simple, very easy. All you need is a pot, water, your noodles, and the sauce packet that comes in this little packet. That's all you need. Very simple, very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The very first step is you're going to take your pot and your 2 cups of water, and you're going to add it right in there. Now you're going to add it to the stove. So here we go. You add your pot to the stove. You set your temperature to high and you leave it there for 5 minutes to let it boil the water. If you want, you can add some salt to it to make it boil a little faster. Now that your water is boiling, it's time to add in the noodles. So let me show you what comes in here too. You got your noodles, of course. And you got the most important ingredient of all. The beef sauce packet that makes the flavor the best. That makes it taste the way it is. Here we go, plain and simple. The noodles, the sauce packet, right on top of the noodles a little bit and in the water to get all that flavor. And you cook it for 5 minutes and it'll be nice and soft. If you want it a little more crunchy than noodles, then you cook it for 3.5 minutes to 4. Periodically, you want to put your noodles into the water so they get more soft if you want them more soft. And you mix it around a little bit so that they can kind of get separated. So they separate from themselves so that it's more noodles than just a big clump of ramen noodles that are just clumped together. Now that the timer has gone off, it is time to transfer this into a bowl. Okay, so now you just transfer it over. You just dump it in, just like that, with all the broth and everything in there. So you mix it, but the one rule I keep telling you guys that you always have to follow is season your food. So I'm going to season my food with this everything salt. There we go. Now you just got to mix it in. And there you go. You got ramen noodles. Don't forget, when you are the chef, the creator, just the person who makes the food, you always have to try your food. Always. Don't forget to try your food. So let's try these ramen noodles. Instant ramen noodles. Be careful, very hot as I can see. I hope you can see that too. Very hot. Okay, gotta be very, very careful. Not bad for ramen noodles, but try the broth also. Oh, that is so good. That is so nice and warm. On a cold day, this is what you need. Some nice ramen noodle broth to keep you nice and warm. Sometimes you'll get noodles too as you're sucking up the broth, so be careful on that one. Oh, that is so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. And please don't forget to share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And please don't forget to comment below as I've asked you to do. And please, also remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Jay's Squad. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.